Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Blush with Mo. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make labels for your pantry, inside your kitchen, basically just for your fridge or anywhere in the house that you'd like to add labels to some items. Before I get into my video today, I'm seeing some new subscribers. Welcome to my channel guys, you won't regret it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, turn your post notifications on, like and comment on this video and share with your family and with your friends. So the items that you'll be needing in this DIY are very simple: cellophane tape, a pair of scissors, paper that I just printed. This is a bucket of water right here. That's it. Let's get into our video. Okay guys, so now that we have removed the excess paper from the back of the tape, what you're going to do is to allow the tape to dry, put it down and allow it to dry. It's going to go back to its normal sticky state. If you try to attach it while it's wet, then it's going to slip right off the container or the surface. So I'm going to put it down right here, so on the table, so I can allow it to dry. Okay guys, so when you remove them, what you don't want to do is you don't want to allow the back part to touch your fingers because they will stick to your skin. So you probably have a hard time to get them off if you allow them to touch your skin like what I'm facing right now. Okay, so now that we're through, these are the labels. I'll be attaching some to this peel right here so you guys can see the end results. Be adding my name into this travel mug. Okay guys, this is my laptop. I went ahead and I added my logo to my laptop just to see if it would stick, and it did. So let me show you a close up of that. Go around. So this is a close up of my logo on my laptop. Okay guys, and finally I'll be showing you the back of my latest mirror, so you can see my design on it. Sorry, my logo right there, labeled right. That's Blush with Mo, and you have BWM right there. So I'll be putting this is the front of it, and these are available on my website. Sorry, these are available on my business page. I'll be putting a screen scroll on the screen so you guys can see. Go over there and place your orders. So that is my DIY for today. Very simple and very easy. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. It was a very easy DIY. I've given you a cheaper way, more inexpensive way to go and label inside your home, your pantry, your snack pan for those who are in quarantine like myself, and basically your room, wherever you want to add labels. For young entrepreneurs who are starting out, you can also use this method depending on what you're labeling and label some of your items. Like this video guys, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel so I can grow my channel. Until next week guys, bye.